Hi, it's Ryan with Technically Speaking. Today we're doing a review on Nike Adapt BB self-lacing sneakers. Let's get into it. Why I'm doing a review on a Nike shoe? Let me explain. In 2011, Nike made a replica of the shoes Michael J. Fox wore in Back to the Future 2 called the Nike Air Mags, and they auctioned them off for his Parkinson's Foundation. Then rumors of Nike working on another pair. This pair will have automatic self-lacing technology in them. Fast forward to 2016, they released the shoes in a limited quantity and they sold out. Later on that year, they released another shoe with self-lacing technology called the Nike Hyper Adapt 1.0. Fast forward to 2019, and now we have the Nike Adapt BB. BB standing for basketball. Yes, this is a self-lacing basketball shoe. Let's open it up, see what's in the box. In the box, got a charger pad for it, charger brick, USB Type-C card for it, manual, and the shoes. Okay, so the shoe has, the laces are covered, made out of some like a net material. It has two buttons on the side right here. This is how you cut the shoes on. See if it's charged up. There it is. One of these is to tighten the shoe. One of them is to loosen it up. See? One is to loosen it up. I like the way it sounds. Yeah. Now this also has an app that works with the shoes. Let me see if I can download the app. Give me a second. So in the app, here's the app. Get started. Okay, so I connected it to both of the shoes. What you have to do, in the app, you have to press it and it's gonna tell you put it next to the two buttons, put the phone next to the two buttons on the shoe. And your volume has to be, your ringer and your volume has to be up on your phone. I don't know why, but Once the volume in the ringer is up, you can connect it to it, and it asks you, once it connects, it asks you to confirm it by pressing the button on the shoe. After you press the button on the shoe, it tells you to do it to the next shoe. You do it to the next shoe, then it tells you to put the shoes on. Okay, maybe I should put the shoes on. Give me 1 second. So after you get them both dialed into the app, you have to put them on your feet, and then you put them on your feet and you hit a button, and it actually calibrates the shoes to your feet. It goes through these little motions where it adapts to your feet, and then you get to adjust what your settings is, what you want the setting to be when you put them on your feet. After that, it takes you to this screen, and you can actually use this. This is for your left shoe. It tightens and it loosens it up. Same thing with the right. Tighten it up, move it down, loosens it up. It also tells you the battery power of the shoes. And right here, you can actually change the color of the buttons on the side. Change it to purple, pink, change to all different colors. But try them out, let you know what I think about it. So when you put them on, you lock them, you find your the comfort setting, and you press both of the buttons on the side to lock in that setting on both of the shoes, so you actually don't have to always adjust up and down, tightening and loosening it to get to the perfect fit. And has wireless charging, and they last 14 days on a full charge. So that's pretty long. That's a decent amount of time. My opinion, they are very comfortable. Very comfortable shoes. Seem like they'll be real comfortable. Real nice shoes to play basketball in, because they are very comfortable. They retail at $350. Now, are they worth the $300? To me personally, I would say these are consumable. They are worth the $350 just for the technology that's in it. You can actually have a shoe that actually molds to the fitting that you want. I think this is actually a good idea. I would like to see what the next generation of this shoe is gonna be. The only problem is this shoe is sold out. So good luck on trying to find you a pair if you want them. This has been Rhino with Technically Speaking. Remember, don't be consumed. I'm out.